Hello everybody, I'm back with another interesting video. Yes, in this video, I'm going to tell you what melts in the sun and what does not. Are you ready for this? So let's begin it. Let me tell you that for this video, number of items can be collected. For example, ice cream, chocolates, ghee, butter, crayons, candles, jelly, and so on. And here are the few items which I have collected, like butter, candies, crayons, block, this biscuit, and this is ghee. So I have placed all these items under the sun. And now it's around half an hour. Come on, let's check the results. Oh, where is the butter? And what about the ghee? Now let's check this cream biscuit. Oh God, look at the cream. This cream has got melt. Can you see? Alright, so now let's check this block. No, it did not get melt. And what about these crayons? As far as I can feel, it did not get melt, but it has got softened under the sun. And these candies? Oops, it did not get melt. So my candies did not get melt. You should try with some other candies. So did you see that this plastic block and candies did not melt under the sun? Alright, hope you enjoyed the video, and now it's your time to place your items outdoors in the direct sunlight and record the results. And do let me know. Okay, bye bye. We'll see you in the next video.